What's going down, everybody? Welcome back, man, for another short episode. So it's Sunday, and with that, happy Sunday, guys. So check it out, dude. The part came in from my dad's 06 Acura TL, that Evap Purge valve solenoid. So we're gonna get into swapping that out real quick. He did let me know the check engine light did not come back on, so that was a good thing. Now I am gonna keep the old one and try to cut it in half so I can give y'all a shot of what it looks like inside and maybe better explain how it works and how it operates on the car. So with that, dude, we're gonna jump into this, so let's get started. All right, man, same tools, 10mm, 1/4" ratchet, pliers, flat blade screwdriver. So here's the part. It's an import direct. I mean, brand new. There's the part number 42-00427 if you need to get one. Now, we're gonna jump right into it. We already know it's quick, but I'm gonna take y'all through it anyway. Pull that off. Pliers. Top hose. See the plastic, yeah, the plastic's already broke loose from last weekend when we pulled it off. That one's loose. Let's get this bottom one real quick. And actually, I grabbed my deep socket this time. It works better than that long extension. It's easier to deal with. Remember on last video, top one comes out, the bottom one's in there. Look at that. I mean, simple, man. Twist that valve, get that hose to come out of there. Okay, man, something to know. When you get the new one, you're gonna have these spacers. You're gonna automatically think they go on the front of the valve. No, it sits on the car like that. They do not. They go on the back. Just slide them in there, right? Your bolts have washers on there for the front side. So let's get to putting this back together real quick. I'm gonna try to make sure that hose gets pushed all the way up on there. And then, like I stated in the last video, put your clamp right back where it came from. I mean, exact spot. You want it in the exact spot. I'm gonna slide this top one on real quick. Boom. Pinch this down, same thing, exact spot. Two bolts. Make sure they start by hand before you get crazy on it, you know, and cross thread it. Like I state all the time, dude, a lot of this stuff is fine threads, steel bolts, aluminum block parts, or Vtec parts. You don't want to cross thread and ruin. So it's as simple as that, guys. Plug this in, hear it click. Make sure it won't come back up. And then that'll be that. We'll start it up, and then that's that. So with all that, dude, I just wanted to take y'all on the adventure of getting that changed out, because we didn't get it last week because of O'Reilly's. So with all that, dude, I'll keep y'all updated with it. Keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all on the next one.